Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to my Facebook Live morning vlog. Okay, so Facebook morning vlog. I'm gonna get all this cut off. Okay. Uh huh. And I want to report some sad news about yesterday. Smash Mouth lead singer Steve Harwell done passed away. Okay. Yeah, some of you know who Steve Harwell is. Some of y'all don't. Okay. All right, making songs in my the band Smash Mouth. Been doing these things since my teenage years. I would say since my high school years. Okay, made that song "Walking on the Sun." Can't get enough of you, baby. All Star. Then the morning comes. I'm a believer. Mm, yeah. I mean, I enjoy Smash Mouth, y'all. Yes, indeed. I, I do enjoy Smash Mouth. Yep. And some happy news that today is my friend Dominique Henry's birthday. Dominique, aka Diamond. Okay. Yep. So I sure wish I can talk to her one day. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would love to talk to Dominique one day. You know. But I've been so busy with my shows though. I haven't been having time to contact her on social media or anything. Because I've been so busy with my shows and my studio, aka my house. Hmm. Yeah. So yeah, bro. I've been so busy with all that. Hmm. I haven't been having time to contact her or anything. I mean, I've been wanting to contact Dominique. But I haven't been having time. I haven't been having time because I've been having assignments and stuff like that. What I mean by assignments, just like last Sunday at Hunter Field, I was over there on an assignment at the 18th annual Katrina March and Second Line. I had an assignment. Okay, I I think I have a few upcoming assignments in a couple of weeks, and in a month too. Okay, I have an assignment in January. I have to pay for my assignment. What I mean by paying for my assignment, I'm going to Fan Expo. Okay, so I'm going to be going to Fan Expo in January. Okay, I might have to wear a mask. Because this mask mandate probably about to come back. You know, so I'll be seeing some people wearing masks. If masks required, I'm going to wear it. Understand? If mask is required, I'm going to wear it. Okay, because I think they gonna start that mask mandate in the few. Because I don't know who gonna be at Fan Expo. Okay, and plus I'm a go follow the rules over there. I mean, just because even though I'm a future celebrity, the rules apply to everybody, including celebrities, including me. Okay, so I remember one time they had somebody by a celebrity, speaking it, and then one of the volunteers or guards or whoever it was told me I could go up there, and I told him no, I'm not gonna do that. I told him I ain't gonna do that because why? The reason why I'm not gonna do that because so suppose somebody from behind me or somewhere else see somebody up there and tell about saying you let him go there with that person over there. I ain't doing that. That's what I told that person. I told him I ain't doing it. When I tell them y'all say one person at a time, y'all it means one person at a time. Rules are the rules. If you don't want to follow the rules, just stay your butt home. You know, that's all. All right. So I must say, y'all. I mean, I'm having a great time out here. Yeah, feeling happy and sad that I seen Ashley. you know. But there's only one problem with that. Why do I love Ashley so much? I don't know why I love that girl so much. You know, I mean, a minute she's sweet, a minute she's bitter. That girl's bittersweet. You know, evil on one side, very nice on the other. Mm. Yes, indeed, bro. I went to school with Ashley, and I told y'all that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I must say, y'all, she said that I'm her boyfriend. I'm not Ashley's boyfriend anymore. Okay. Call it how it is. She's my ex girlfriend. I'm her ex boyfriend. I'm not. I'm not her boyfriend anymore. You know. Hmm. I mean, I don't know what have I done. Honestly, you know, what have I done? I mean, I guess God help me out to not make me be in a relationship with her. You know, in the beginning. You know. So so as I was saying, y'all, excuse me. Yeah, it says a little something about throat. But as I was saying, y'all, I mean Ashley. She's sweet when she wants to. She's bitter when she feel like it. You know. Yeah, when me and her first got in a relationship, you know, some guy came up to me and said that I was talking to another woman at Dollar General. I was I was telling them about telling her about my show. Hmm. That's what I was talking about, you know. And that was before we got together, me and Ashley. She almost broke up with me in in 15 1 minute and 15 seconds. We almost broke up in 1 minute and 15 seconds. I can't barely tell time like that, you know. Okay, I would assume it was around those times, you know. Hmm. Yeah. Oh well. And then the best thing, she cheated on me. I'm so happy about that. She did me a favor. You hear me? Hmm. It's a shame for me to tell this. I'm not gonna tell her business or what I found out about her. You know, but I'm gonna keep that to myself and keep it off my show. Okay. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Okay. Thank y'all for watching so far. All right. Bye bye.